Hey designer, before you jump into this playlist, I just wanted to quickly record a video and tell you why I'm recording this in the first place. Basically, I had received many of different kinds of requests to create a video series like this. So I just wanted to quickly create something which is going to be useful for you guys in the months to come. So over the next 52 weeks here on the channel, I'm going to launch a video every single Friday talking about how you guys as designers can make money. There are going to be different ways here and there. Some ways are going to be more obvious to you, like working with a client or working at an agency, but some other ways, especially for the passive income, some of you guys might not be familiar with methods like those. So I'm really excited to create this video series. Make sure to check back every Friday for a new video from this video series. If this week's, for example, is not really all that useful for you, make sure to subscribe and make sure to check back next Friday, because next Friday might be the one which is the right fit for you, because I truly believe that some of these can really change your life and can really alter how you think about design and how you think about business of design in general. In majority of these videos I mention links, so a few links here and there, and I will make sure to put those links in the description so you don't miss out on anything. So basically whatever I am mentioning, I will always try to link in the description below. If I don't, make sure to remind me and I will check back and see what I did and included what I did. Basically, all of this is inserted from my course 101 Ways to Make Money as a Designer. If you're interested, it's located in my membership, and I'm going to put the link down in the description below to my membership with all my courses, design products, mentorship, private access to the Facebook groups, and finally practice videos for these YouTube files so that you can follow up my YouTube tutorials all about Adobe XD and more. So I hope you enjoy, and I hope some of these tips are going to transform your life. And as I said, I'm really excited about sharing this information with you. And once again, every single Friday, check back to this playlist to see new video for that particular week. Enjoy, and I really hope that you're going to apply some of these methods into your work. Take care.